Our country is full of sincere, brave, and talented people who are the real assets of our society. Such kind of people always prefer the betterment of others by putting their own betterment, even lives, back to save others. Recently at Shahwani, Quetta, where a Pashtun boy had dropped into a well incidentally, and to save his life, Baloch, a brave young man, putting his own life at risk, went down into well with the support of a rope. And unfortunately, after snapping rope, he himself had dropped into the well and deprived from his own life, and leaving behind a story of chivalry, sincerity, love for humanity, and an earned place in paradise. It is said that difficult times always give chance to real ones. To save drowned, already rescuers had tried their level best, but in vain. After receiving messages, two sons of the soil, Jalil and Hamza and Amir Hamza Shahwani, had rushed to Quetta from their hometown Khadgucha. After half hour, when they had reached to the unfortunate place of incident, but that time it was too late. When other rescuers had failed to bring the bodies out, then Jalil and Hamza, like Balach, without caring their own lives, decided to dive into the deep well despite forbidding by others. Their inner conscience motivated them, and they dived and dived. After about 20 minutes, life-risky adventure, at last they recovered the both bodies. Their love with humanity combined with bravery left all at 6 and 7. Death of Baloch left a real story of sacrifice for humanity, and will always live in the minds and hearts of all. On the other hand, the chivalry, commitment, and preference to others than their own interests of two young men, Jalil Shahwani and Hamza Shahwani, will also be remembered for long. The sacrifice of Baloch and braveries of Jalil and Hamza give a message of hope that still humanity exists on our earth. Now it is our prime duty to remember the sacrifices of Baloch in golden words, as well as encourage Jalil Shahwani and Hamza Shahwani, and give them due respect, good status, and use their services and talent for the betterment and safety of society. Some days back, one of our heroes, Faisal Jattak, had also driven full of oil ablaze tanker to safer place to save precious human lives, as well as petrol pump of his owner. After this noble and great act, he had received honor and popularity inside and outside of Pakistan.